Dear viewers, Namaskar. Welcome to this edition of the News Bulletin. In view of the prevalent COVID conditions, you are requested to adhere to the COVID-appropriate behaviors like wearing masks properly, washing hands frequently, maintaining social distancing and avoiding crowded places. Now the news in detail. Enterprising endeavors of structural and fabrication shops of SAIL Rourkela steel plant brings about substantial savings for the company. And safety awareness workshop held at Design Department of SAIL Rourkela steel plant. Now the news in detail. The industrious and enterprising employees of structural and fabrication shops of SAIL Rourkela steel plant successfully developed the charging side skid elements for plate mill reheating furnace, thereby bringing about a substantial savings for the company. It may be noted that 20 numbers skid elements of varying length totaling to about 125 meters were installed in the charging end of the reheating furnace of plate mill department. Though they have been procured several times from outside by plate mill department because of the high value of equipments, structural shop collectives decided to develop the system with in-house resources. The scope of developing procedure was frozen in consultation with Mr. S.C. Sabath, GM Shops S&F. A set of fixtures have been designed and developed to facilitate accurate assembly as well as to minimize the distortion of the long skid pipes during welding. The materials for different components like pipes, middle bars, buttons, rider bars, pipe bends, etc. of the job have been selected carefully considering the intrinsic working environment of the job. The welding electrodes and consumables were selected accordingly to meet the requirement. The process and sequence of operations of individual parts at various workstations was planned properly to get control over some of the parameters like dimensional accuracy, distortion and deformation due to welding, shrinkage allowance of the pipes, quality of welding joints, etc. The machining of the pipes for edge preparation was done in RSM that ensured the sound welding joints. By developing it in-house, a cash outflow of about Rs 75 lakhs could be saved towards the new purchase cost. A safety awareness workshop was held at Design Department of SAIL Rourkela steel plant on 11th September at the Design Conference Hall. Mr. A.K. Goswami, GM in charge design, presided over the session. Around 30 employees, including executives, attended the program. During the workshop, discussions were held on different aspects of safety, behavioral-based safety and use of personal protective equipments. Mr. Rajiv S. Bara, AGM and DSO for Centralized Maintenance Area, coordinated the workshop. It may be noted that for the first time, Design Department has been included under the safety purview of the Safety Engineering Department, and this was the first safety workshop of the department. Design Department caters to the engineering needs of the entire plant, mainly to improve production and productivity by way of providing detailed engineering schemes, reverse engineering, digitization of drawings and uploading and design portal for the viewing at the user's end, feasibility reports and recommendations to tackle the technical snags encountered in day-to-day operations, and also caters to the needs of other sister units of SAIL. In order to achieve this, the employees of the department frequently move in and around the shop floors of various production units. Hence, to ensure safety for each and every employee of the department, it was brought under the safety purview and safety awareness workshop was organized in this regard. That's all in this edition of Rourkela News. Namaskar.